It's a star-studded election campaign in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Earlier today, superstar Allu Arjun and his wife Sneha Reddy made a surprise visit to Nandyal to support YSRCP candidate Silpa Ravichandra Kishore Reddy. Thousands of enthusiastic supporters gathered outside Ravichandra's residence chanting Pushpa Pushpa as Allu and Sneha made their way through the crowd. This comes the day after he pledged support and extended his support to his uncle and Janasena chief Pawan Kalyan.
You're campaigning for the Congress party. What do you have to say? What is happening in the city of Hyderabad? You have been campaigning for so many days.
I'm a congressman. From my college days, I am in Congress. Now, entire the country, they have decided that the Congress is the only party that country will won. Otherwise, the people, if you divide the people, then it is a loss for the country and the public. So all these 10 years, now the public, they have come to a conclusion. This BJP is dividing the people.
Allu Arjun is campaigning for YSRCP. Allu Suresh sends wishes to Pawan Kalyan. So what does his family...
Allu Suresh or Allu, they are family members. This guy, Ravi, is the friend of Mr. Allu Arjun. Last year also, he has given this thing. But he is not campaigning for any political party.
My colleague Akshita Nandagopal is joining us from Vijayawada on this. Akshita, we see images of Allu Arjun there at the residence of the YSRCP candidate. Now, many are saying he was not campaigning there officially. He was just there to extend support to his friend who happens to be a candidate of the YSRCP. Tell us more about what was Allu Arjun doing in Nandyal, Andhra Pradesh.
Well, it's very interesting to note, and for people who don't really track Andhra, Telangana politics and Tollywood as much, I'm sure they're wondering how really this works, Apollo, considering that Allu Arjun is related to Pawan Kalyan, who's with the NDA, and there you have him at the residence of a YSRCP candidate. But it's very clear that these superstars, and you see this every poll season, they come out to campaign for their personal friends, for people they know, or for their family members, like in the case of Pawan Kalyan, which is what Allu Arjun's team maintains that in this particular case it is. The likes of Chandrakishore Reddy, someone who's a very, very close friend of Allu Arjun, of his wife Sneha Reddy, which is why she's there too. So they are in fact very good friends. So they've gone to his residence. I mean, as much as they can say this is not a campaign, the messaging is very, very clear. When Allu Arjun was seen entering into the YSRCP candidate's residence, you saw the crowds that had gathered. He made it a point to go out, step out onto the balcony and also wave to the crowds there, acknowledge their love, acknowledge their presence. It doesn't get bigger than this. And this is very, very clearly a campaign as well, Paulami. There's no doubt about that. In Nandyal, the YSRCP candidate is someone who's known to be very, very close to Allu Arjun's family as well. And that's why he's there. 2 days after, interestingly, he put out a post on social media backing his uncle, Pawan Kalyan.
Absolutely. And Akshita, we just heard from Allu Arjun's father-in-law who is campaigning for the Congress party. Allu Arjun just a few days ago extended best wishes to his uncle Pawan Kalyan, who he campaigned for in 2019. And this time he's seen publicly extending his support to who is a friend but also a YSRCP candidate. So it just seems like, you know, there is support pouring in from these stars for all corners and all political hues, Akshita.
In the South, Paulami, you can't differentiate between film and politics. There's a very fine line, and very often you see that being crossed, like in the case of Pawan Kalyan here in Andhra Pradesh. Allu Arjun so far has never really, taken a step that shows his political leaning in any way. Even in this case, if anything, it only leads to more confusion as to which side he stands on. You look, for example, even at, his post backing Pawan Kalyan. At no point has he spoken about the NDA. At no point has he spoken about, the Janasena. He speaks about his uncle Pawan Kalyan. And that's where really the support grows, because it's family. It's a similar case in Nandyal because it's a friendship that's as close as family, we're told. Allu Arjun has come out personally there along with his wife Sneha Reddy to get those crowds together. But Is that, immediately translating to support for the YSRCP from Allu Arjun? I wouldn't quite read it like that because, like I said, the stars here in Tollywood are very media shy. They're also very shy from getting into the political spotlight. The only reason they're doing it now is because they've got close friendships in both sides. So, they're kind of doing a balancing act where you have an Allu Arjun 2 days ago putting out a support for Pawan Kalyan and then appearing at the house of his YSRCP candidate friend in Nandyal.
That's right. Akshita, just stay on with us. You can see the absolute frenzy over there in those pictures as Allu Arjun. Of course, these are big superstars. The actors in the southern part of the country are worshipped almost by their fan base. So when Allu Arjun, of course, arrived at his friend candidate's residence, he was stormed with supporters and fans who were there. And on your screens now, you can see Ram Charan there as well, who is in the southern part of the country, again extending his support for, politicians of all hues and colours as well. Let's take this across to Akshita. Akshita, if you can tell us about Ram Charan's campaign.
So Ram Charan currently is in Petapuram, which is where Pawan Kalyan is contesting from. So he's campaigning for his uncle. This was expected, Paulomi. We were hearing for the last many days that he, as well as his father, Chiranjeevi, would be here. Megastar Chiranjeevi, as he's popularly called, seems like he couldn't make it. But you've got Ram Charan accompanied by his mother. Interestingly, and here's where, it adds to the whole mix, Allu Arjun's father, Allu Arvind, is currently with Ram Charan campaigning in Petapuram. This can be very confusing. But Allu Arvind also is, of course, they're all related. So he is right now campaigning for Pawan Kalyan in Petapuram while his son is campaigning for the YSRCP candidate in Nandyal. And this is what I mean when I say that, the stars here don't shy away from sticking up for their family, but they don't believe in having any allegiance to any particular political party. But Petapuram, is a small village. I was there just a few days ago, Paulomi. It's a small village, not much development that it's seen, but it's really been thrust into the political spotlight. And how? And they see some of the biggest Tollywood superstars now coming one after another to campaign. Once, of course, you've got Pawan Kalyan, the power star there, and his rallies are absolutely insane because you've got all of these youngsters, almost first-time voters, it seems, coming together in mass numbers, a complete organic crowd. And similarly now for Ram Charan also in Petapuram, there'll be masses really gathering in large numbers just to catch a glimpse of the superstar. There's absolute madness when you talk about the craze for these stars and especially this one family. They're referred to very often as Tollywood's first family. Ram Charan making it a point to be there for his uncle at this very, very crucial time. Now, will that kind of stardom, will these kind of mega campaigns actually translate into votes? Not necessarily if you look at Andhra's political history and the fact that in 2019 you had Pawan Kalyan contesting from 2 seats and losing in both seats. This time in Petapuram, he's again going to face a challenge in the sense that the YSRCP has posted a very, very senior and a political veteran leader, Vanga Geeta, who's currently the Kakinada MP. So she's a local of sorts, and there is, of course, the Kapu vote factor, which could go in favour of Pawan Kalyan. So it'll be interesting to see how this battle plays out. He needs all the support he can get. That's very, very clear. And now Ram Charan coming out the campaign is definitely a big boost for him as far as the optics at least go, with the kind of crowds that will gather there for the mega rally. Important to also highlight that in Petapuram is where Jagat Mohan Reddy is also campaigning. And remember that today is the last day of the campaign, so all stops being pulled to ensure in the high-profile seats there's going to be a battle like no other.
Absolutely. Akshita, they're putting things into perspective for us because, like Akshita has been saying, that can be a lot much confusing. What you see on your screens right now, you're seeing images of these Tollywood stars, mega stars. They have huge fan bases. You can just see the frenzy out there on the streets. You see images of RRR star Ram Charan there. When he landed at Rajamundry Airport, he is headed to Petapuram to campaign for his uncle, Pawan Kalyan, who also happens to be related to Allu Arjun as well. Allu Arjun, again a nephew of Pawan Kalyan. Just a few days ago, he put out a social media post where he extended best wishes to his uncle, to his family member. He said that he admires the path that Pawan Kalyan has chosen and the way that he's conducted himself as well. And today he is in fact at the residence of a YSRCP candidate. YSRCP is who Pawan Kalyan, who's part of the NDA, is facing off against in Andhra Pradesh. and he is at the residence of this YSRCP candidate, extending his support to him. He calls him his friend as well.